Hi, it's Linda with CreativePLR.com, and I'm in Canva, and I know a lot of Canva tricks and tips, but this one kind of blew me away. I found this one by accident, so it could be I'm the last person to know, but do you know it? I was going to create some lunchbox notes. I'm creating something that looks like this, and I wanted these pretty little rectangular borders. And so I was looking through all the rectangular borders, and I was like, not like. And then I saw this can border, and I'm thinking, what in the world is that? So it says, oh, it's a border preview, really? And I started playing with it. My margin, now the margin is the distance between the border to the outside edge of the card. So I do want a little printable area there. Border thickness, oh, okay, I like that. Advanced settings, well, you know I had to do that. And corner roundness, I'm going to make that a 70. What if I make it 100? Oh, I actually like that. I wonder what happens if I make it more. It's really starting to get crazy now. And then blur, I don't know what that is, but I'm going to try it. And then I'm going to click on this. And I have a landscaped piece of canvas here, and so I want 4 to fit on a page. And I'm like, well, that's kind of cool. That made a cool border. But I could also go up here and add another border if I wanted to, around the outside edge of it. I could do that. In this case, I don't think I like that. So I'm going to get rid of that. But I am going to go back, and now I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to make it pink, because you know pink is my favorite color. I'm not going to change anything else, but I am going to plop that down, and now I'm going to make it the same size. And until I've made a couple and I've actually fit them on, I never know just how big to make them. And so I think that's going to work perfect. So now I'm going to do, let's do that color. Oh, yeah, I love that color. And now, last but not least, I want my purple. And so now we have borders. So let's try that again. Let's try another one. So they look great, and you saw how easy that was to do. So if you're making task cards, if you're making affirmation cards, anything that you want to do, lunchbox note like I am. So lunchbox notes are going to work great. Anything that you're doing with little cards is going to be helpful. Make a bunch of little cards for affirmations and questions maybe. So if you want to vary them, the other thing to do is you can make dashed cards, and I want to really make this, it only goes up to 46, but look, you can make it spaced, and then I can do the same thing I did before, and those guidelines will show me where it goes, and then I can make a red one, and then I can make a orange one. So you can make cards for holidays. You can make little reminder cards. I know at one point reminder cards were very, very useful. And then I'm going to make a green one. So I actually like the dashed ones a lot. I think they're a lot of fun. Even if you're not printing on a colored printer, having the colors show up, this may make a great activity if you do different activities for kids in activity books. You could give them cards and have them find things around the house, or you could give them questions to make them think, would you rather cards, that kind of thing. So this really works out great. I may be the last one to know that you can make these frames with this new app that's in Canva. But if I am, I just shared it with you, and now you're the second person to know. Okay, until next time, keep creating.